I met this cat and he said, son, I've got 9 lives and you've got 1. So make the best of this you can, 'cause nothing goes according to plan. This cat was wise, so I took his advice and waited for a little sunlight. I got this feeling that it might work out alright. 'Cause life is a trip and it's full of misadventure. The cat in the hat is a panic attack, but it's laced with good intentions. I guess you could say that we're all mad here. Life is a trip and it's been a bad year. This dog, and he said, child, who'll outlive me 7 times? So make the best of this you can, 'cause nothing goes according to plan. This dog was wise, so I took his advice and waited for a little sunlight. I got this feeling that it might work out alright. The cat in the hat is a panic attack, but it's laced with good intentions. I guess you could say that we're all mad here. Life is a trip and it's been a bad year. Nothing is real and that's a fact. When you make believe in Wonderland, nothing is real and that's a fact. When you make believe in Wonderland, I keep in my pocket. 'Cause life is a trip and it's full of misadventure. The cat in the hat is a panic attack, but it's laced with good intentions. I guess you could say that we're all mad here. Life is a trip and it's been. Life is a trip and it's full of misadventure. The cat in the hat is a panic attack, but it's laced with good intentions. I guess you could say that a bad year.